friends! We are in the final day of my vocal reboot series. So far we've covered breath, phonation, resonance, and agility. Check those out in the links below if you've missed them. This is our last set of vocal exercise, and we will focus today on range. We'll start pretty easy, but if you feel like your voice needs a little bit more warm-up today, maybe check out one of my other more gentle warm-ups to start. Come into a relaxed and aligned position. Take a couple of slow and natural breaths. Make sure to focus on release and expansion in the lower ribs and abdomen. Starting now with a feeling of open sigh, we're going to sing on coo, like coo. Often ask me how they can improve their range. The answer is complicated, but we can put ourselves in the best position to sing higher or to sing lower with the right amount of strength, coordination, and relaxation. As we cover a wide vocal range today, I'd recommend hanging in as long as you can, but do feel free to switch octaves if it's best for you today. We're going to begin on a lip trill and glide through a fifth, then an octave, like If a lip trill is hard for you, keep trying because they're awesome, but you can also sing this on a V or a Zh sound. Here we go. Let's do a gentle sigh from high to low. One more time, but a bit more vigorously and engaged. Semi-occluded sounds like V, ZH, or often help us to navigate our range with ease. We're going to sing now on a V to an oo sound. We'll sing the following pattern. Of these glides to work through registers. We're going to sing on a zh, like Did you know that I've published a vocal warm-up app for singers? It's available for all platforms. It has a ton of vocal warm-ups, over 50 playlists. It's super easy to use, and you can find out more in the links below. I hope you'll check it out. There's also a link to buy this shirt. We're going to sing now on a go. This is going to encourage a lot of neutrality, and we're going to glide at the end. So we're going to sing go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 We're going to descend now on a very relaxed va va va. As we get to the lowest extreme of our range, we want to make sure that we're aiming for a little bit more of a speech-like sound so that we don't overbreathe. It will also help us stay relaxed and avoid a contrived sound. We're going to sing va va va. Engaged and natural breath is such an important part of using our full range. We're going to ascend now with the help of breath, and we're going to sing on yo, ho, ho. Make sure to pulse this air to really propel the notes. Also, when we get to the extreme upper register, you can relax the O, move it a little bit more toward an ah. It will make it a bit easier. We'll sing yo, ho, 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 ho. 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 Let's take a moment now to explore range with some free-form sirens and glides. Come with me or go on your own. Finally, let's do one round of full octave arpeggios to cover a wide vocal range. Remember that we want to work beyond our comfortable range, so try to let go of judgment at the extremes and focus on relaxation and airflow. Hang in as long as you can, but feel free to drop octaves if you need to. Remember to periodically check in for tension that you don't want. We'll sing on ZA like Z, gentle sigh down, all the way to a vocal fry. Thank you for joining me here today and this week. I publish new warm-ups here generally every Monday. Make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified each time I post a video. There are also some helpful links below, including a link to my vocal warm-up app. Keep singing, and let's do it again soon.